Welcome to Revision Hub. Today we're looking at the topic of memory and the unit of second explanation for forgetting, retrieval failure, AQA AS psychology. The retrieval failure is another explanation for forgetting. The retrieval failure theory states that information is forgotten because of there being insufficient number of cues. Encoding specificity principle was talking with the encoding specificity principle 73 and found that a cue helps recall information that has to be present in encoding and retrieval. If the cue at encoding and retrieval is different, forgetting is a possibility. Examples of cues can be mnemonics, which are commonly used to remember material meaningfully, and we also have external and internal cues. So, context-dependent forgetting was when Modern Padley in 1975 had deep-sea divers and they took part in the study and had to learn a list of words. So they had 4 conditions. So these were learn the words on land and recall the list of words on land, learn the list of words on land and recall the list of words underwater, learn the list of words underwater and recall them underwater, and learn the list of words underwater and recall the list of words on land. It was found that accurate recall was 40% lower in non-matching conditions. This was because the external cues present when learning the list of words were different or not there when recalling the list of words, so retrieval failure took place. Dependent forgetting, and an experiment was carried out by Carter and Cassidy in 1998 where they had 4 conditions. So participants had to learn a list of words and passages of prose and then recall them, but they would either learn when on the drug antihistamine and recall antihistamine, and the drug antihistamine is prescribed for fever. Or they will learn when not on the drug and recall when on the drug antihistamine, learn when on the drug antihistamine and recall when not on the drug, and then finally learn when not on the drug and recall when not on the drug antihistamine. So antihistamine did make the participants a little bit drowsy, so their physiological state was different from their normal state. It was found that performance on the memory test was worse when there was a mismatch between the internal state at learning and recall, so the absence of internal cues resulted in more forgetting. A strand is there's research to support retrieval failure as an explanation for forgetting, so it has real-world applications because the findings can be generalized daily life, for example, revising and then taking the exam in a different room, thus increasing usefulness. However, the effects of context are questionable because Badley said context effects are not too strong in real life. For example, learning in one room and recalling in another will not result in too much forgetting because the environments are not as different. They're still rooms. So this questions validity. Another weakness is that the effects of context could relate to the types of memory being tested because Gordon and Badley replicated the deep-sea diver study using a recognition test instead of having to recall the list of words where the participants had to state if they recognized the word or not. And no context-dependent effects were seen as performance was the same in all conditions. Therefore, the explanation has to account cues being present or absent, only impacting memory when memory is being tested in a certain way, which it doesn't do so. In our next video, we will be moving on to factors affecting eyewitness testimony, and the first factor we're going to be looking at is misleading information. But before then, make sure you make your notes on what we've done so far. Remember to revise, rest, test, and repeat yourself. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Thank you to Canva because I made these slides using their templates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, press the bell icon on our channel, Revision Hub. Thank you so much.